everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Fast 5 Dollar Tree haul for you all. So let's jump in and see what I found. So the first item that I found was this shoe eraser. And this is not by Dollar Tree or Greenbrier. This is FTI Brands. It's very small. And honestly, when I saw someone haul this, I thought that cannot be worth $1. It looks from the picture like the double-sided magic erasers that Dollar Tree sells. So I haven't opened it yet to see if it is, but if it is, I can't imagine that this is worth $1. You could definitely use the double or triple sponges that you get from Dollar Tree. So let's open it up and see if it works. This is a sneaker cleaner. It says just add water, easily cleans white soles. So my daughter's here. Yeah, let's see what's inside. So this is the sponge, and it's honestly exactly what I thought. Yes, you can have it in 1 minute. So on this side, you have to wet it. It looks exactly like the magic eraser. It's got little bumps, and then on this side is like a sponge, like a kind of rough sponge. So do I think this tiny thing is worth $1? I would say no. I'd say don't waste your money. Honey, careful, please. Don't waste your money. You can buy something almost exactly like this, but in the full size, and you get 2 or 3 of them for $1. So this teeny tiny one, I would say, is not worth $1. I think the better bang for your buck is to get the Dollar Tree brand magic erasers that come with half sponge, half magic eraser. I think you get 2 or 3 in a pack. So this is what it looks like. So next item I found were more lunchbox notes. I picked up a few of these around school time. They were different, but these are very cute. It comes with, it says you are a star, love you to the moon and back, love you bunches with bananas. So a bunch of cute ones, and you get 18 notes in a box. So I've been hanging on to these for my daughter when she's in school. Very cute. So the next item that I found were these adorable puzzle erasers, and you get 3 to a pack. So they're just so cute. I think you could, split these up and give them to multiple kids. My daughter is dying, she's right here, she's dying to play with these, so I'm gonna open these up and let her take a look. So you get 3 different ones, 2 are the same, 2 make a cube, and the little erasers kind of just come apart, and I'm sure if I take this apart, I'll probably never get it back together.
I did it apart.
Oh, thank you. And so you get, let's see, you get 2 cubes, and you get one of these like star ones, which is very cute. So here you go, honey. So I picked those up, a few of them for gifts for back to school in the fall. Next item that I found was this LED glow art. They sold something similar to this last year and probably during Christmas. Maybe they even still have it out now. And it is the little cube, and it's like a mini light bright. So these came in a few different colors, I think like red, blue, and yellow maybe. So it does not include batteries, but it does have a little storage container for the pegs. And then you just take this little sticker off, and there's the pegboard here and a switch that lights up. So I thought that was very cute. The next set of items I found that were just so sweet, I actually got these for my mother-in-law, and they have some new prayer boxes and prayer cards. I've never seen the prayer cards before. I'm not sure if they've carried them. They're really nice. They just say like today's prayer, and then it's got a Bible verse on the other side. So it gives you some examples, and then this is the design. So I thought those were really pretty. And then they had a bunch of new prayer boxes, and I really love this one with the palm fronds. And when you open it up, it's got a little verse inside, a little pad of paper that matches, and it comes with a little mini mechanical pencil, which is so cute. So I think she's gonna love that, and it's very sweet. So I picked that up. And the last item that I found was by General Mills, and this is the Raisin Bran. My husband loves Raisin Bran, so I decided to pick this up for him to give a try. I cannot stand raisins, but anyway, I got this for him. So that is everything for my haul, you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you all in my next haul. Bye.